Thai. What are we making? I stopped at
What
we
are
are
we
making.
Yes.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Thai Satay. Oh my gosh! Thai Chickpea Satay. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Edible Fitness. The fitness you can eat. So today we are making something just incredible. You've got to give this a try. It is Thai Chickpea Satay. Let's get started. First, we're going to start with the onions. We're going to saute them for a little bit. Get those in there. So we're not necessarily going to brown them, but just get them a little translucent. And then we'll start adding in the other things as well. Okay, so these are looking pretty good. Now I'm going to add in the spices to that. Give them just a couple of seconds just to ignite their flavors, and then I'm gonna add in the other stuff. All right, so I'm gonna take this off the heat for a second. Now I'm gonna start with the peanut butter. Now, I'm using pureed garlic and ginger. You don't have to do that, but that's what I'm doing. But because I'm using the pureed version, I'm gonna add them to the peanut butter before I add this mixture to the onions. So I'm going to put them in a bowl because I need to add in some water to all of this as well. Garlic and ginger. I know it looks like a lot of ginger. It is a lot of ginger, but it's going to taste really good. Alright, then we're going to take some of the water first. And then I'm just gonna whisk it up. Be careful it doesn't splash around. Hey, I am impressed. This is the first time it has not done that. Look at me and my expert skills. Yay. See, now it's gonna happen. I know it's gonna happen now. Oh, it didn't happen. All right. So we're gonna take this and add it to the onion mixture. Back on the heat. So I'm just going to stir this in, and then we're going to start putting in everything else. All right, now we're going to add in the tomato sauce. The tomatoes, not tomato sauce, it's just the tomatoes. Crushed tomatoes, obviously. Get that stirred in. Real nice and pretty like. Then I'm gonna add the chickpeas, the honey, and the salt. Now the salt you can go with taste. But I'm putting in about a tablespoon. Chickpeas, salt, and like I said, the honey. So we're gonna give this a couple of minutes, let it simmer for a little bit, and then add the coconut milk to finish everything off. And that's it. This is all ready to go. So what we're going to do now is add the coconut milk. This is the last thing, and then it's ready to serve. Give this about a minute or so, and it is beautiful on vegetables, potatoes, rice, green beans, potatoes. Can't do that.
Beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes.
But yeah, this is it, guys. Easy. This was like, what, 10 minutes, maybe? It's awesome. It's a great thing. It is full, jam-packed of flavor. You gotta give this a try. That's all there is to it. Like I said, you've got to give this a try. The flavor is incredible. But before you go and try, you know what you have to do. You need to like, leave a comment below, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new videos just like this one. Alright, I'm gonna go find some rice to put this on, and I will see you next time right back here on Edible Fitness.
Got something to say, you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around.